Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to really easily blend together two images using this kind of empty picture of the edge of a coral reef and also a giant great white shark that I grabbed off the web. Because one of the things I always think about when I think about like really gorgeous reefs is Shark Week, because you know, it's sharks eating people. Who doesn't love that? I suppose the people getting eaten by the sharks, but anyway, that's neither here nor there. So inside of Photoshop, there's actually a really easy tool that we can have called the auto blend mode, where you let Photoshop do what Photoshop does best, and that is to blend together two images to make your life a lot easier. So I'm going to use the lasso tool to just quickly select out this shark. And I'm going to just copy him and paste him right back into the scene without the other shark in the background. And where do we want him? We kind of want him like sneaking in from off screen over here. Make that a little bit larger. All right, so before we begin, I want to duplicate the background layer because it has a tendency of editing the layers directly that we're adjusting. So I'm actually going to duplicate both of these layers. I'm going to put them down below in the originals. And now I'm going to make sure that the shark is exactly where I want him. I'm going to put him like kind of hanging out up here in the water as if he sees a tasty swimmer off to the side where he's going to be like, oh, that looks tasty up there. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to select him. I'm going to select the background, and then I'm going to go to edit. I'm going to go down to auto blend layers down here in the middle next to transform. And this is going to tell Photoshop to use its brain to blend these two layers together to make them look like they naturally belong together. So I'm going to hit auto blend layers, and you're going to want to make sure that seamless tones and colors and content aware fill the transparent areas is selected. And then I'm also going to select stack images, so it's going to mush them together, and I'm going to click OK. From here, it's going to analyze both of those images, and it's going to try its best to naturally smush them together. Although it will say that there's a warning here sometimes. It's just warning me that there's pixels more than 50% selected. The selected edges will not be visible. That's fine. Nothing to worry about there. So here you can see the final product. It did a really nice job of blending these two images together. It did most of the work for us. Now, worst case scenario, if I really think I need to, there is a slight hiccup right up here where you can tell there's a blending error. And it looks like a little bit of this water has been blended kind of in like a pocket around the shark. But if I had to go back in right now and make edits myself using the healing brush tool to do a quick removal of that, that wouldn't be very much work at all. And I've dramatically reduced all of the effort I would need to do to get these two images blended together. Photoshop has done most of that work for me. So there you go. That's how you easily blend two images together using the down here, the auto blend layers option inside of Photoshop. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.